Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, there we go. So just to quickly give you a rundown the specs right here. So we're looking at a almost 2-inch display, so 1.92 with a resolution of 502 by 410 pixels. It is OLED display with a peak brightness of whopping 3000 nits. Screen density or pixel density at 338 pixels on a watch OS 10 and 542 milliamp hour battery. So those are basically all the worth mentioning specs right here, and obviously it's just a refreshed version of the previous Watch Ultra. Still looks and feels about the same as at least the body itself. The strap itself, I believe it's new. If I remember correctly, the previous one was a little bit different. It does look a little bit weird. Now, it did leave out, I think, a single part. Oh, there we go. So, this right here. So that's an interesting design. So, to put that on, I guess I just kind of slide it through. I'm trying to figure out one thing. If I put that on, this actually should go on top. And that's how it goes, I guess. And from there, I'm just gonna kind of do this off the screen. So there we go. And kind of weird design, to be honest. But as a positive note, your little strap right thingy thing won't ever like just come loose and just get lost, so that's pretty nice. Though the strap design, as you can see, it is quite bulky, so it does add a bit of girth to it, and it does hold the belt in there pretty well. Also, when you put it on, you have to kind of like pull it quite harder, but yeah. Now I have to say, in terms of the belt design, I kind of like it, but it has a little bit of a gimmick to it, which might be a little bit annoying to some people. It's a bit bulky, and it's kind of hard to put it through the little loop right here, but I believe that is specifically by design, so it never like comes out on its own, because as you can see, it is holding right here. You do need to intentionally pull it out. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.